Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I am here today with an unboxing video. I got two wigs. I have a subscriber that wanted me to have some new wigs, and so they paid for me to get some new wigs. So I ordered these wigs and they took a long time to come, and so I'm unboxing them. This is wig number 1, and I remember a wig was supposed to be blonde. This looks like a different color blonde than what I ordered. Wow. And here is wig number 2. It's black. I don't remember what these wigs are supposed to look like. They took so long to come. So let's try these wigs on. First impression. First impression. I know I really enjoyed the short wigs that I had. I don't know about these. I know these were cheap and inexpensive. These were the wigs that was like a penny, and you just pay for shipping. So I'm not going to be too mad at, and I'm not too mad at this, even though, I mean, this, when you get wigs like this, you can wear them with a scarf. You can wear them with a hat. I'm actually not too mad at the, I don't know how tangly this is going to get, but this actually feels really good. I'm not too mad at it. And what I do sometimes is I just turn it like to the side, so you won't see that part in the middle. It'll be to the side. I turn it to the side and I wear it like this. And see, that's kind of cute to me. Oh, I'm kind of liking it. I could put that over the eye, kind of like the Aaliyah thing. Oh, I think this would look good, especially in a ASMR video, you guys. This would look good in an ASMR video, especially because the ASMR video, it usually be from like the nose, and so you're not gonna see any of this up at the top. So I think that's kind of cute. I kind of like it, you guys. And I can't remember, I have to go to my Amazon. I think I paid like a penny for this and just paid for shipping like $10 or $15. I actually like the texture of this, and it don't feel like it's gonna get tangly right off the bat too easily. I actually like this one, y'all. I like the color, I like the texture, I like everything. Let me turn around and let y'all see. Let me pull my chair further away so y'all can see the back. Let me know what y'all think about this. I don't have my other phone here so I could tell y'all how much I paid for it, but I know this was one of those ones where I didn't pay very much for it. So I'm going to take this. I actually like this, you guys. I'm going to take this. It took a long time to come. It did take a long time to come, and I'm going to put this in the box back in the, okay, let me put this in here first. And put this, I ordered some wigs before and I didn't keep the little plastic things or whatever, and I did find out that you need to keep this to kind of keep your wigs from getting tangled and messed up and all that good stuff. So I keep these now. So let's try on this one. This doesn't look like the color blonde that I remember ordering. I don't think I'm gonna really like the color, but let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. It's kind of short. I don't remember ordering this wig. Y'all, I got my phone right here. See, they just be sending you something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at my thing and see. This is what I ordered. This color looks so ashy and dirty, and this is not the color I ordered. But y'all, let me know what y'all is short or. Let me look at my Amazon, y'all. Let's find out how much I paid for this. This one took about 3 months to get here. Let's see. Let me see. Amazon orders. Okay, this wig is nothing like the wig that I ordered. This wig is supposed to be, I don't know if y'all can see this. It's supposed to be, ooh, I can't show y'all this. You could tell it's supposed to be a long wig like the other one. It's supposed to be, I don't know if y'all could see that. I don't think y'all gonna be able to see this. Anyway, it's supposed to be a long wig like the other one. As you can see, it's not long like the other one. It's not body waved, and it's a totally different color. OMG. It's not the same wig at all. It's not. But let's see how much I paid for it. Let me see. It's not showing me view order details. Let me see. Okay, I paid 1 penny for this wig. Shipping was $12.98. I ordered this wig on April the 23rd, and I just got it last week. April, May, May to June, July. So April to May, May to June, June to July. So it took 4 months to get here. But I paid $12 for it. Okay, let's talk about even though it's not the wig that I ordered, it's not even the color that I ordered. I'm really not mad at the cut of it. I like the cut of it. I like the style of it. I don't really like the color. But y'all might like the color, so let me know. I think this color is too much close to my skin tone. I think if I'm gonna wear blonde, I need something more lighter or more darker. This to me is like very ashy, but I do like the color. I mean, I do like the cut and the style. I would love this in a black or a lighter blonde or even a red. But this like it is, and you know, this up here, I'm not mad at this either. Let me see if I could turn this to the side, what it would look like. To me, when you turn it to the side, it makes it a little bit more inconspicuous, and I actually like that too. See, I like that too. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I'm kind of liking it. I think with this color and some makeup on, this would probably be cute. See, and I like it more like that because it gives it like a flowy, I kind of like it, y'all. So I'm probably going to use this in some ASMR videos. It's too hot to be wearing wigs outside. That's why I shaved my head. but I'm liking this, and we only paid 1 penny for it, and the shipping was $12. So we paid $12 for this wig. So let me see about the black one. Let me see how much I paid for the black one. Let's go back. Okay, the black one, I paid the black one. I paid 1 penny, and I paid $13 for shipping. The total order was $15.04. So pretty much $15 for that wig to get it to me. And I actually like the black one. And the black one, I don't know if y'all can see that one, but the black one looks like it says. It doesn't have a part all the way to the back, but it looks like what it says. It's costume, 1 penny, you guys. So this is my first impression of these wigs. I will do a more detailed one thing. This one have like a little hump in the back. I don't know. I hope that eventually goes down, maybe after I wear it. But I actually like the wig. I like it. I think this color probably would grow on me. I probably would like this style better in black. But I kind of like this wig because it's not what I expected. It's not what I ordered. But I'm not mad at it. And when you order stuff that is gonna take 4 months to get here, I'm not understanding why they charging you a penny, but it's taking 4 months to get here. But whatever. And then it's not exactly what you ordered. It's not the same color. But I'm not disappointed, you guys. I'm not one of those people that, like, if I ordered something and I paid a lot of money for it, I better get what I pay for. But when you pay a penny for something, you guys, it is what it is. And I think they know that. But this color is too close to my skin tone. If you ask me, I need it to be a little lighter or a little darker. But I'm not mad at the style. I'm really not mad at the color because it is what it is. And we're going to work with it. For 1 penny, we're going to do something with this wig. So anyway, you guys, let me know what you think about this in the comments bar below. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave lots of comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and be sure to come back for another video so you can see more of Farrah Fawcett. Me. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye now.